Hello everyone. I'm Ankita, product manager at CleverTap. Today we'll be looking at CleverTap's bulletins. Marketers currently are able to trigger engagement campaigns based on user behavior. When a user performs an event or does not perform an event in a certain amount of time, a message can be sent prompting action. For example, a media streaming app could send a campaign to bring back a user to watch the episodes remaining in a season that they haven't completed yet. But what has been missing all this while is the ability to send the campaigns based on events that happen on the business side to the users who are most likely to be interested in this activity. This could include things like new arrivals back in stocks or new release alerts. Hence, we are releasing bulletins, where bulletins are a new category of engagement campaigns and a unique feature that CleverTap offers. If we look at the entertainment streaming service, users can be notified of a new movie available based on the genre that they're most interested in. Users who are interested in comedy movies will receive push notifications about the movies released in comedy genre, while the users who are interested in watching documentaries will receive push notifications informing them about the new documentaries being available. The key here is that once a bulletin is set up, the connecting of business event, which here is the release of a new movie, and the users in the interest segments are automatically done. This makes the campaign automated and scalable. Even if the entertainment service industry releases hundreds of movies and shows every day, you just need to set up the bulletin once and rest all can be automated. I'll go to a demo right now. So I click on get started over here and I land to bulletins. In this bulletin, first I have to create a business event. I define a business event which is movie release, and then I define the business event properties: movie name, movie actor, movie genre, movie image, movie deep link. Now, these business event properties will be used for creation of interest segments later on and templatizing the engagement. Now we go ahead and choose a user event for the goal. You want the users to watch the new movies release, so the goal event has to be movie watched. It is a custom event that has already been defined in the CleverTap dashboard and is available in the drop down. Since the business event data is sent to CleverTap from an external source, it's important to map the movie release event, business event, to the goal event name already being used in the CleverTap. In this example, the goal event movie watched is available within the CleverTap platform. So this is where you map the two events. So here we actually map the property of the two relevant events. So this is mapped to the business event property of the movie release. We save and continue right now. Now we create a bulletin for this business event. Step 2 is where the interest segment is defined. These are the users who are likely to be interested in what the company is releasing. In this example, the interest segment is for a specific movie genre. So I'll choose the all users category over here. And I map it to the movie genre because the interest segment is based on the movie genre, and this is in last 30 days. And I choose the movie watched event here, that is the user event that is coming in, and I choose movie genre from the user event, which is the genre here. So we are defining this interest segment as users who have watched this movie genre in the last 30 days. So here the business event property sent to CleverTap movie genre is mapped to the event property genre of the event movie watched. Now I continue. The step 3 will be to create a push notification campaign. You can create a push notification, SMS, or email campaign with bulletins. Whenever your new movie is released in a specific genre, a campaign is sent automatically to the relevant users. Let's say, whenever a new comedy movie is released, a campaign is automatically sent to the people who have watched comedy movies for more than 5 hours in the last 30 days. So, I create a push notification over here. An important thing to note over here is that you'll have to send information about the new movie release to CleverTap either via you have to send it via API, and this whole automation can be set up with your servers. And after I continue, let's create a message template which will be triggered as soon as the API call has been made. So here is the title of the message, binge mode, and here is at the rate I personalize the campaign, which is name. So I can say hey, and I can say at the rate movie name. So this is a new movie starring the rate actor name, because I want to personalize with the actor. Your favorite actor is now on movie app. Watch now. Okay. I can even define the deep links. So I have deep links over here. So this is the link that is going to open for specific to the movie that has been sent through the API. So I can just write movieapp.com. Same thing I do for Android also, which is defining the deep link URL. Rate, and the default value is your app link. And I just define the Android or settings and I continue. Okay, so the final setup is done. So select the control groups if needed and click continue, and just go through the summary of the just go through this whole summary of the bulletin that you're setting up. This is how the summary of the bulletin looks like. Now I publish and I say push notification movie release bulletin. I get it. Now, every time a movie is released, you send data via an API, dispatch a bulletin, and all the interested users that you have defined over here, all the interested users will be sent a bulletin. One bulletin can be set up to automatically send campaigns for hundreds of new movie releases in a day from different genres, with no limit on the number of push notifications or any other notifications. That's it for the demo.